One drop creates so many ripples. One institution gives so many stages of success. Oxford Green Group of Educational Institutions, gateway to new era. Welcome to Oxford Green Public School in Greater Noida, a gateway to new era. We know every child is a powerhouse, so the school offers holistic education right from nursery level. It has a model teaching curriculum, nurturing tiny tots to become well-informed citizens with teachers mentoring students. Classroom activities are staple of a student's life, exposed to learn, work, play and think.
मेरा नाम राकेश कुमार एडवोकेट, चेयरमैन ऑफ ऑक्सफोर्ड ग्रीन ग्रुप ऑफ एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन, जो कि बालेश्वरी शिक्षा समिति द्वारा संचालित है, जिसका उद्देश्य अधिक से अधिक ग्रामीण परिवेश में आधुनिक शिक्षा को बढ़ावा देने के लिए किया गया है। यह संस्था वर्ष 2003 से संचालित है और इसका मुख्य उद्देश्य अधिक से अधिक ग्रामीण परिवेश में आधुनिक शिक्षा को बढ़ावा देना है। इस विद्यालय की जो स्थापना है वो मैक्सिमम ग्रामीण परिवेश में की गई है, क्योंकि शहरीकरण के अंदर तो काफ़ी आधुनिक विद्यालय है, लेकिन ग्रामीण परिवेश के अंदर इस प्रकार के आधुनिक विद्यालय न होने के कारण जो संस्था का एम है वो मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम ग्रामीण परिवेश में विद्यालय खोलना है।
The school is proud to have some of the finest infrastructure with modern high-tech facilities like fully equipped computer lab, science lab, library with collection of good books, magazines and strong extracurricular activities. This is the place where the students are taught learning from doing. All work is done in the class under the guidance of qualified teachers. All that a school can do, Oxford Green does. CCTV cameras are placed to monitor activities. Through walkie-talkie, we remain in constant touch with the drivers of the buses dropping students at home.
वर्ष 2003 से ही विद्यालय ने समस्त सुविधाओं का ध्यान रखते हुए विद्यालय के अंदर हर संभव उपलब्ध व्यवस्था का प्रयास किया है। अभिभावकों के बढ़ते हुए सहयोग को देखते हुए हमने वर्ष 2009 में पीपल का ग्राम के अंदर एक दूसरी शाखा का भी आरंभ किया है, जिसका भी हमें अभिभावकों की तरफ से एक अच्छा परिणाम आ रहा है।
The classroom is spacious, equipped with AV gadgets to make for a comprehensive studying experience. We at Oxford Green strive to discover your child's innate talent. We also provide students enough learning to cope in a competitive environment. Our vision is to create resources for the society, state and for the country. The school has a green campus to let students grow in Mother Nature's lab.
I joined the school in the year 2005. The question arises why I joined the school, because the school is situated in Sirsa, which is a village. See, my intention was to give something to the villagers, because our country comprises of villages as well as towns, and we people, we give the most of the education to the city students. We don't look after the villagers.
A school doesn't have to be just about studies. Dance classes are regularly held.
I am very thankful to the management. The management, which comprises mainly of Mr. Rakesh Kumar, he is the chairman, Mr. Rajesh, the vice chairman, Mrs. Nutan, the managing director. I am really very happy to have such a management, because this management, though they started the school in a village, but their outlook is very vast. We, with the management, they have told me that, ma'am, don't compromise with the teaching staff. So we are having all our teaching staff, all are well educated. We don't compromise with any of the quality.
Students are exposed to cultural functions and annual functions. They wear costumes of different states to give a pan-India feeling. Students need physical activity for their well-being too. Our school has a sports-rich curriculum. Students are encouraged in outdoor activities right from nursery. We encourage them to play different games such as football, basketball, badminton, cricket, karate, yoga, meditation, kho-kho in the school compound. The main aim is to enhance students' physical fitness. The school participates in friendly sports contests with other schools too.
I am a gold medalist in karate. I want to especially thanks to management of our school to achieve this prize.
Here teachers are very good. They communicate with us in very good way and they are very friendly with us.
My name is Tanya. My favorite color name is pink. My favorite teacher name is Mrs. Dipti Sharma, ma'am. I read in class 2nd C.
School fairs are a treasure trove of opportunities. Students get involved in such activities. There are major fundraising activities which are aimed at providing valuable social experiences for students. Interacting with people outside the campus scene also boosts the school's reputation. It also builds a sense of community participation, environmental awareness, cleanliness and health among the students. Our students commune with nature through the trips and treks we arrange for them. It provides learning opportunities based on field experiences and also tests willpower, strength and endurance. And we are happy to tell you that in just 8 years of existence in Greater Noida, Oxford Green Public School stands tall as an icon in the field of education. We also have a second campus, Piplaka. And how do we promise your kids so much? It is because we do not compromise on quality. Oxford Green Group of Educational Institutions. Gateway to New Era.